Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to pan fry stingray fish. Yep. You can use any fish that you like. And I'll be pan frying it using some, I will coat it with some turmeric powder. Recently, Appa tasted a very unique, very nice dipping sauce. I'm going to attempt to make that dipping sauce. It's actually, I learned this from my friend's mother. Very sourish, very savory, and it has some it has some shallots and chili padi. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to make that particular dipping sauce today together for this dish also. But I'll be making a lot more, so that I can keep in the fridge and then eat it together with other things also. It tastes even good with white rice itself. It is super nice. You must try. Okay. So first of all, we will prep the fish a bit later. We will make the sauce first. Let's take a look at the ingredient. So basically, you need a lot of shallot, yeah, and some chili padi. Actually, she uses the green type of the chili padi, and this is one big lime. So lime is different than calamansi and lemon. It is something like this. Let me show you. All right, so this is lime. So I have one big lime here, lime juice, very sour and very aromatic. Then we will need some light soy sauce, a little bit of fish sauce, sugar and salt. All right, first of all, let's put in the shallot. Sliced shallot, yeah, slice them up thinly. Then the chili padi. Lime juice. This is what gives the unique savory but aromatic flavor. A good amount of light soy sauce. I'm giving a little bit of my favorite premium Vietnamese fish sauce. A little bit of fine salt. And you do want to balance the flavor with some sugar. Give it a mix. And it's almost done. To reach the optimum flavor, you should leave this aside for in the fridge for about 2 hours. Then all the shallots will really absorb the nice flavor from the sauce itself. It goes very well with anything. Actually, my friend's mother that day, she made this sauce for us to eat together with our steamboat. So this is a perfect sauce for steamboat. Don't forget to leave it aside for about 2 hours. Yeah. So now we are going to marinate the fish. Of course, we are going to use turmeric powder. Put in some turmeric powder here. And we are going to mix it with some water. Right, and you make it into a very thick paste like this. Before we put the turmeric onto the fish, let's give it a very thin layer of fine salt on both sides first. After which, we can put the turmeric paste onto the fish itself. So this is how the Jalan Alo Ikan bakar will do. Okay, very simple. but very, very aromatic. Be very careful. Try not to touch the turmeric powder yourself. Very hard to wash. Very hard to wash away. Any of you got a very good tips on how to wash away turmeric powders? Let Appa know. Right. Then we can prepare to pan fry this. If you have banana leaf, even better. I don't have banana leaf with me today. It is okay, we can still make do. There's no rules in Appa kitchen. Let's get a deeper pan or a wok. Give it some vegetable oil. And let's heat up. Right, unlike the normal fish frying where we need to heat up the oil until smoking point, this one no need. Because you put in turmeric powder already, it can get burned quite rather easily one, yeah? No need to be too hot. This will be good enough. But there's one thing you do want to prepare, which is a lid, yeah? The Ikan bakar store will definitely put in a lid to help to cook through the fish itself. We'll come back shortly. Oh, by the way, if you are cooking stingray doesn't really stick to the wok so easily one. So don't worry so much. Huh? So this is after about 2 minutes. Coming to 3 minutes now. Look at the beautiful color, and it is super fragrant right now. It will be even more aromatic if I have the banana leaf. You want to fry the banana leaf together, yeah? No need to be too hot. About medium or medium heated oil to be good enough. This is coming to about another 2 to 3 minutes. Ooh, look at the beautiful char. Look at this. Let me show you. Look at the beautiful char. Almost done. This is coming to about 6 minutes plus. I just want to give it some last 30 seconds to 1 minute. Just want to make sure the thickest part is fully cooked, yeah? Right. The fish should be fully cooked by now. Let me carefully take out the fish. Off the fire. Look at how beautiful it is. See. Oh. Right, so here's a pan fried stingray with turmeric powder together with my special dipping sauce. Just now I left too much chili seeds inside, so it's a little bit too spicy. So from this experience, remove the chili seeds lah. Don't make it too spicy. It's not very hard to eat. Okay, I already tried to remove most of the chili seeds right after that. Alright, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Oh, I still have quite a bit of the sauce, which I'm going to put it into a small container and put it in the fridge.